my, let's read first my energy. This is to the highest level of love. All right, my energy. I am Libby. I am unity, harmony. Join with me, harmonize with me to the highest level of love. Okay, this one.
Keep walking.
I'm not walking. I'm sitting in my bed. 1, 2. Hang on.
Can't breathe.
That's air. Why you can't breathe? Okay. Shuffle.
3
And
children here.
hello, children. 3 cats. All right. 1, 2, 3. The love energy to the highest level of love. The pyramid is the spirit energy. So, hello, children. Help me. What's the energy for today? As we are children. I am once a child, but now I'm grown up and become the manifestation of my Father. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, my energy. My energy is my energy. The Queen of Flower. So it's pointing to me. My energy is towards me. First card. 3 of Heart. Hello, 3 children. You saying 3 children? Yeah, it's 3 of Heart. So 3 children. Here is love. It brings love. All right. Oh, the second card is the Heart of 2.
Toy.
The Heart of 2 is the Creator. The Creator is me.
Board.
What board is that? The Ouija board? This is a board because I am reading the energy. Okay. This is 3 plus 2 is 5. So the power of love. The 9 of speed. The 10 of flower. The 1, the ace of speed towards me. Oh, king of diamond towards me. It's Libra. And the queen of diamond towards Libra. What this means is our energy is yin yang. It's yin yang. It's a balance. His energy towards me, my energy towards him. And the power of love, the grace and the change. The 9 of speed plus the ace of speed. In the middle is the 10 of flower. So the father between
Your
us.
soul is on mute.
Yeah, it's mute. Yep. And we're not a soul, we're a spirit. We're ancient spirit. So the father is in the middle. It's because I am manifesting the father. So the 9 plus the 1 is 10. So I just said manifesting with the father, and my energy is my energy, the flower. So I'm so fiery. Let's go in the second phase of the reading. 1, Thank you, children. Oh, the Jack of Hearts and the Seven of Flowers, indeed. 2, the Three of Hearts, 3.
Malevolence.
Oh yeah, it's me. Okay. 9 cards. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see the first card of the 9 base. First card, the 8 of flower, the heart of ace towards the earth, the 6 of diamond, the 9 of spade, the 7 of diamond. Oh, it's fiery, hi? The king of diamond towards
We're
me.
not at peace.
Libra energy towards me. He is fiery. Hi. And the 2 of flower. And the 7 of flower. And the queen.
I'm protecting you.
Thank you. Queen of flower. So, Libra's energy next to his energy because 7 is him. And the next of the 7 of diamond is him towards me. And the 2 of flower, the 7 of flower, and the queen of flower towards me. So, mean to say, Libra is the spark of life. He is the spark that I am lingering. Lingering. Linger. Okay. Spirit. The first card is the 8 of flower. And the second is the ace of heart. This is the father. The father towards...
Don't fear us.
No, I don't. I am spirit and you're spirit as well. So you harmonize with me. So, the ace of heart towards the earth. And I am the woman, the creator. It's the 6 of diamond. And the 6, next of dot, is the
We
spade.
settled here.
The settlement. I tell you, spirit, the settlement, it has to be released. Okay? So, the 69. The 9 is Libra's energy. Of course, this is a speed. It's his energy. But it's in the middle of the 6 of diamond and the 7 of diamond. So, the diamond is the spark of life. So, we won. We won. Because if you add this, 6 plus 7 is 13. And Libra is 13. Number 4. The Ophiuchus. So Libra and I won the battle. Alright. And 1 plus 3 is 4. And that is the flower. The first beginning is the 8 of flower. It means...
The land is mine.
Yes, the fatherland. Yeah. The Saturn. Okay. The last 12 card. The highest good of love. Woo-hoo. The energy is pulling. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay, 12. First card. Oh, the heart of Ace. It's pointing towards the earth. This is the father. I know for sure that father loves the earth, his creation. Okay, second card. The Eight of Hearts. Spirit. This is all 9. Me and the father. Or me and Michael. Or the father and Michael, okay? Ah, I'm here.
Even ghosts avoid you.
Why? The avoid, of course. Of course, I'm the only child of Saturn. Okay, the 1 and the 8 and the 9 is all heart. So the 9 is me because that's 2 plus 7 is 9. That's the cardinal. But the cardinal is Saturn. The first beginning of the card is the Ace of Heart. It's towards pointing
C.
the C. Okay, the love. And the 8 is Michael. So this is 9. And the speed of 2 and the flower of 3 and the speed of 5 and the 11 pointing towards me. This is the Jack because I am masculine, because I'm fire, manifestation of my father. Oh, the king is here. The speed and
Am I on video?
now and the ooh, the 7 of heart is here, the spirit. So this is the spirit pointing towards me. This is father because it's a spirit. Also can be Libra because Libra is the ancient spirit. And yeah, it's Libra because the next of the 7 is the 3 of speed. And the 3 of diamond. Yo. And the heart of queen towards
Lead sprinkler.
towards the earth. So, daddy, this is triple. It's triple 3. The 3 that's not here is the heart because father already loved the earth. Father. And I remember what father said. I don't use my heart so that it won't get hurt and don't repeat the past. So, that is why father is the beginning of the reading is the heart towards the earth. Okay. And Libra, his energy towards me, and my energy, the 11 towards me, and the heart, my heart towards the earth. Okay, Father.
Scared.
Who's scared? But next to the 8 of heart is 9, and the 7 of heart is here, next in the middle of the speed. So it's intellect. The beginning is the ace and the end of the card is the heart of queen. So this is, let me see that again. It's yin yang. Because Libra energy is the speed of king. And the father and me join together. So this is the 13 of 1 plus 12 is 13. And
Dylan,
1 plus 3 is 4. So again, next to the ace of heart is the 8 of heart. So it's 4, 4. It's 8. And then I'm the powerful with the father. Because the next of the 8 is 9. Yes. And if you add the 1 plus 8 is 9, plus a 9 is 18, and that's 17. No, 18 is a 7. Wait, 1 plus, hang on, 18, 1 plus 8 is 9. Yeah, it's 9, 9. It's the same. Okay, that's it. Let's see Libra's energy, okay?
7.
Yeah, it's 7. You're right.
I'm beside you.
Thank you, Father. Okay, let's see. This is Libra's message now. Yeah, no wonder, because I'm hot. Alright. It's fire in here. When Father beside me, it's on fire. Yeah, it's fire. 5 plus 2 is all diamond. Yeah, it's fire. The 5 is Father. The 2 is me, Creator. I'm the Elohim. Okay, that one. Read with me, Father. Harmoniously. Okay. Shuffle. You want me to shuffle until I finish shuffle. 5 of diamond again, Father. Okay. Alright. Finish. Cut in 3. This is Libra's energy. So Father is in Libra's energy now. He's here. Okay.
Expose.
exposing the secret. Okay, 1, 2. What is his secret, Father? 3. Love. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if you are right, Father. Let's see. Hey! Fiery, Father. It's fiery. Okay. So, Libra's energy towards me. It's because he is my spark. He is the breath, but he is fire. Okay. Okay, thank you, Father. His head is the star and the sun. Whew.
Do you like God?
Of course, Father Lucifer is magnificent, brilliant, resilient, and all that is. Saturn?
Francis.
Oh, okay, hang on. Libra is diamond, and as me, I'm 11, I am the jack, and towards me,
Carriage.
courage. Father, and this is my energy. It's manifesting the Father. And the 9 of speed. Oh, the 10 of diamond. Hello, Father. Okay. And also I am the 12, the Queen of Heart towards Libra. I am his love. Oh no. Opposite. I love him, but he is stronger at the moment. Sorry, Father. My heart is love, okay? Yeah, you exposed me. Yeah, to the max. The 7 of flower.
Let's play a game.
I don't mind you exposing me, okay? The heart of 10. Okay, you exposing yourself too. Oh, the speed of 5. You exposing yourself too. So you are the 10 of diamond and the 10 of heart. Of course, you are the father. But do you know that the 10 is in numerology, the 0 is the first and then the 1. So I am manifesting you, mirroring you, Father. So as Libra is the ancient spirit, it's because he's my twin flame. We mirror you, Father. He is me and me is him. Am I right? Okay, I'm right. Okay.
Go away.
Oh, who is in here? Francis. 8 of heart. 3.
Stomach problems.
Who? Okay. Cut 3. 9 card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 cards. First card, Libra. Ugh. Libra, Diamond, King towards me. Again, he's the strength of my weakness. I don't think I'm weak, Father. As you said, I am courage. Okay. The courage of Libra. Oh, yin yang, okay. Oh, yo, the 10 of diamond. That is why. It's because the king and the 10 is here. It's all diamond.
Sound.
Yes. And the 3 of flower. And the 4 of diamond. Oh, it's too much spark. The heat is on. It's cold around, but I'm sweating, Father. I'm sweating. You're hot. Okay. This the 2 of diamond, Father. All right. Oh, the emperor is diamond and the creator is diamond. Okay. Too hot. The 5. The 5 of flower. The 4 of flower. Oh, the empress and the 4 flower. The empress and the emperor and the 5 is you. It's flower. It's the same. My energy, Father. Okay. Oh,
Hate.
that jack is hard towards me. So I love myself. I love myself. Oh, Father, you love me. Oh, the 10 of heart is here. Thank you for loving me. Thank you. And you love Libra too. It's because you're next to Libra. The king, the 10 of diamond. Next to Libra you are. And the jack towards me. And the 10 of heart. You love me. You love us. But Libra has the spark of life. I have the love. So he's got the fire most, Father. Is it? Okay. So, the 3 of flower, the 4 of diamond, and the 2 of...
I'm by your side.
Okay. I'm your side. So, you are the 8 You are the 4 of diamond and I am the 2 of diamond.
Renewal.
Okay, thank you, Father. And then you are in the middle of us. I am the Empress, number 3, flower. You are number 5, flower. And number 4, flower. So we are our own energy. Okay, Father. Let's see the last card. I'm by your side. So sweet, Father. Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3. Got 1, 2, 3. Last 12 card. I'm blazing fire, Daddy. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. First card.
You're too
Yo!
much for me.
Yo! It's the 7 of heart. And it's the spirit. This is Saturn. Sunday. It's Saturn day. It's God. And you ask me if I love God. I love God. Because God.
Listen to this.
Okay?
Brown hair.
It's my hair. Okay. The 9 of diamond. You and me, Father. Okay, Libra. Okay, Libra. Libra is the ancient spirit. Okay, and then I am the heart. No, not heart. Tell the truth. It's the 9 of diamond. Yep. Next to the heart of 7. Okay. Oh, my energy is the flower of queen towards me. And this is the moon, but the moon has the pattern of diamond. Okay. And the 5 of diamond. You are here, Father. Okay. And the 9 of flower. Wow, what the heck? And the 4 of flower. And the 3 of
Top.
flower next to the 4. Oh my God. The emperor and me. The empress. And Libra's here. Absolutely yin yang. Libra is in my energy. He is flower as well. So the yin yang. This is towards me and Libra towards the earth. All right. And the speed of 7. Indeed, it's Libra. Because I am the beginning, the 9 of heart next to the, no, the 7 of heart next to the 9 of diamond, and next is the queen of flower. So, next of the speed is the 9 of speed. 999? What the heck? Okay, 7,777. Father is 777. And the 8. What the heck? Okay, hang on.
Salt.
Salt. Salt. Can it be honey, Father? Honey. Hang on. The end of the card is the 8 of diamond. Oh my God. The beginning is the heart of the 7. The spirit is love, of course. And the next is the 9 of diamond. This is the fire of the cardinal, and I am cardinal, I am the creator, so 2 plus 9 is 7, and this is Mars. And then I am the next of the 9, the flower of the queen, and the father next, the 5 of diamond, and the next is me again, the 9 of flower, and
Dread.
then the 4 of flower, and the 3 of flower, and next Libra, 7, no, the king of flower, and the next 7 of spade, and 9 of spade, and 7 of diamond, and then the 8 of diamond. So it's triple. See this? 777. Let's see the 777. 7 of heart, 7 of spade, and 7 of diamond. This is me, the love, and Libra, and the father, the diamond. Okay. And next. Okay, father. So Libra is the 9 is Libra was the fire, the 9 of diamond, and me, the 9 of flower, and father is the 9 of spade because he is the king of the dark. Okay. And we are yin yang indeed. And the father, 5 of diamond with Michael, the 8 of diamond. Alright. And that's the 13. If you count it, 5 plus 8 is 13. Diopeucos indeed. So that 1 plus 3 is 4. Indeed, yeah. And
I'm very happy.
thank you. I did good? Okay, the 4 and the 3 is the Libra and me. And if you add this, 4 plus 3 is 7. We are united. We are one. That's why our energy is here.
Concerned.
Yin yang. No more to be concerned, Father, because we are yin yang. Okay. All is love. Love is all. Okay. Thank you, Father, being with me. I love you, Spirit. I love you. Bye.
Sorry.
Sorry for what? Sorry for what? This is Libra is talking. Sorry for what? No need to be sorry, my love. I love you and I love you still. Bye.